The first question we're going to answer today is, what is work-based learning? And to establish a common definition is going to be very important. So here's our common definition for work-based learning. Now I'm taking this, just so you're aware, I'm taking this from Perkins 5 legislation that establishes and kind of governs career and technical education across the nation at the federal level based on federal funds. So this is our common definition that we're going to use for the workshop today. Work-based learning, what is it? The term work-based learning means sustained interactions with industry or community professionals in a real workplace setting to the extent practicable, or simulated environments at an educational institution that foster in-depth, firsthand engagement with the tasks required in a given career field that are aligned to curriculum and instruction. So that's our common definition. Hope you heard a couple of key things there. The underlying principles, we're trying to simulate or give that student the most real workplace experience possible, be it with an employer in an actual workplace, or be it a simulated environment in your classroom, laboratory, or at your educational institution. So if that's work-based learning, the next kind of step or next thing we need to know is the work-based learning continuum, because we don't want to pigeonhole ourselves and only think of work-based learning that happens at the career development level. So if you look at my screen, you're going to see that we actually have 3 different stages for our work-based learning continuum. And it starts with career awareness. Okay, and career awareness can happen at the elementary level, middle school level. So some of the activities that you may be doing with your aligned schools might qualify or fall under this category of work-based learning, starting with career awareness. So what is career awareness? Career awareness includes activities, programs, and strategies that expose students to the broad range of careers available. Now, there are different activities that you could do to meet that objective, but generally speaking, that's what career awareness is doing. It's just exposing students to a variety of careers. Now, when a student finds a career that they have a particular interest in, or maybe they have an aptitude for, or just naturally curious, that's when we move on to the next stage, which we define as career exploration. Okay, and which is when we go, instead of learning about a broad set of careers, we go into a focused mode where we're choosing one career field or one particular occupation that student can kind of explore from then on. So that's career exploration. Now, if a student, after conducting that exploration, decides that they want to commit to a career field or a career that's somewhat adjacent to that, then we can move on to developing specific skills or attributes or components of knowledge. And that stage is kind of our final stage of work-based learning. We consider that career development. Okay, so 3 stages of the work-based learning continuum: career awareness, career exploration, and career development. And today, what you're going to see is that our agricultural education 3-circle model, the 3 main components of an ag program, each offer a unique opportunity or tool or resource to engage in each one of those particular stages of the continuum. And that's why on the screen, you're going to see the work-based learning inventory matrix. Now, before you move on to the first activity, this is what you're doing for this activity. You're essentially conducting an inventory of your local program using this checklist or this matrix checklist to see what programs am I offering, what programs am I not? Am I meeting all components of this matrix? Okay, now based on what you assess of your local program, that's going to guide your discussion of the essential questions. And with that, that's activity 1.1. You're going to have a small amount of time to do this, so please move quickly. I apologize for the rush, but given the amount of time we have to work through today, good luck and have fun with activity 1.1.